Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream soup. First, begin by sautéing your chosen aromatics, perhaps 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic, in 2 tablespoons of butter or oil until fragrant. Next, add your main vegetable, for example, 2 cups of chopped broccoli, and cook it until it is tender. Finally, pour in about 4 cups of liquid, such as vegetable broth or milk, and let it simmer gently for 10 minutes to meld the flavors. To achieve that wonderfully creamy texture, you have a couple of excellent options. One popular method is to make a roux by cooking 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for about 1 minute. Then, gradually whisk this warm roux into your simmering soup until it thickens to your desired consistency. Another great way is to simply blend about 1/3 of your soup using an immersion blender for a natural, velvety thickness. Now for the delightful finishing touches. Once your soup has reached its desired thickness, gently stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or half and half. Be sure not to boil the soup after adding the dairy. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, elevate your presentation and flavor by garnishing with crunchy croutons, a sprinkle of fresh chives, or a delicate swirl of extra virgin olive oil. Here are a few pro tips to ensure your cream soup is always a success. First, it is crucial to avoid boiling the soup once you have added any dairy, as this can cause it to curdle. Second, always opt for fresh, high-quality vegetables and broth. They truly make a difference in the final flavor. Lastly, remember you can always adjust the soup's consistency by adding a little more liquid if it is too thick, or simmering it longer if it is too thin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.